Hello there friends. Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the wonderful realm of photosynthesis. It's a magical process that plants use to make food and keep our planet green and vibrant. So put on your adventure caps and let's dive right in. Imagine a tiny factory inside every plant, where special workers called chloroplasts work their magic. These chloroplasts are like little chefs who prepare a tasty treat for plants, just like your favorite snacks. But instead of cookies or candies, they make a special food called glucose. Now let's meet the plant's best friend, sunlight. Just like you need food to grow big and strong, plants need sunlight to make their own food. Sunlight is like a superhero that gives plants energy. It shines down on the leaves and wakes up the chloroplasts, who get super excited to start their work. Have you ever noticed the green color of leaves? Well, that's because of a cool substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is like a plant's favorite outfit, making them look green and stylish. It also helps the plant capture sunlight, just like your eyes capture the colors of a rainbow. Let's take a closer look at a leaf. Can you see those tiny little holes on it? They're called stomata, and they're like a plant's windows to the world. Through these stomata, plants can take in two important things: carbon dioxide, which we humans breathe out, and water, which plants slurp up from the ground. Now things are about to get super cool. Inside the chloroplasts, the chlorophyll and sunlight get together for a dance party. They have a special recipe, and the ingredients are sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. They mix them all up and create a delicious meal for the plant. Just like we need oxygen to breathe, plants need something too. Do you know what they make? They make oxygen. Isn't that amazing? So whenever you take a breath and say, "Ah, fresh air," you can thank the plants for making it possible. Now that the plants have their glucose all cooked up, it's time to store it for later. They save it in different parts, like the roots, stems, and fruits. This glucose is like a plant's secret superpower. It gives them energy to grow big and strong, just like the superhero it is. But wait, there's more. Animals, just like us, also love to eat plants and their yummy glucose. It gives them energy too. So when you enjoy a juicy apple or a crunchy carrot, you're actually having a taste of the plant's hard work and photosynthesis magic. Photosynthesis is not just a process for plants. It's a gift that keeps on giving. You see, when plants make glucose, they also release oxygen into the air. This oxygen helps us and other animals breathe and live a healthy life. So it's like plants are superheroes that provide us with food and clean air. Now let's take a moment to appreciate trees, the giants of the plant world. They're like nature's air conditioners, cooling our earth and giving us shade on sunny days. Trees have been using photosynthesis for a very long time, and they're the reason our planet is so green and beautiful. Remember those tiny workers inside plants? Well, they can't work all the time. They need rest too, just like you and me. When the sun goes down and it gets dark outside, the chloroplasts take a break from their hard work. They need a good night's sleep to recharge and be ready for another day of photosynthesis. Now, let's talk about the changing seasons. Have you noticed how trees and plants look different throughout the year? In spring and summer, they wear bright green clothes and bloom with beautiful flowers. That's because they have plenty of sunlight and warmth to help them grow and make lots of glucose. But in fall and winter, when the days get shorter and colder, the plants take a break from photosynthesis. They shed their leaves and rest until the warm days return. Photosynthesis is like a never-ending dance between plants, sunlight, and the air we breathe. They rely on each other to create a wonderful balance in nature. Plants need sunlight and carbon dioxide, while sunlight needs plants to turn its energy into something useful. It's like a big friendship circle where everyone helps each other out. Can you imagine a world without plants and photosynthesis? It would be a sad and dull place, with no green grass to run on, no flowers to smell, and no delicious fruits to enjoy. That's why it's important to take care of our environment and protect our plant friends. We can plant trees, water plants, and make sure they have enough sunlight to keep photosynthesizing and making our planet a beautiful home for all of us. So, my explorers, now you know all about the marvelous process of photosynthesis. You've learned how plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make their own food and oxygen. It's like a magical recipe that keeps our world full of life and colors. So the next time you see a plant or enjoy a refreshing breath of air, remember the incredible journey of photosynthesis happening all around you. I hope you had a fantastic adventure learning about photosynthesis. It's a fascinating process that brings joy, food, and clean air into our lives. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of nature. Remember, you have the power to make our planet a greener and happier place for everyone. Keep shining bright, just like the sun that fuels photosynthesis. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad.